Installing our theme in Shopify. In this lecture, I will show you how you install a theme in Shopify. I'm gonna click on left on online store and I will wait. And we are running currently the boot theme. Let's take a look how it looks. Okay, that's looking pretty empty and pretty ugly. Okay, that's not looking good in my opinion. So we're gonna change the whole layout. We're gonna change the current theme, and we're gonna change that to a free theme, a good theme, a nice theme, and a fresh, good looking theme. So I go back to my dashboard and I will click on upload theme, and I will click on choose file, and I will select the fast theme, and I will also put the files in the resources, so you can use the same files and theme like me, and also the demo data, but we're gonna do that soon. Okay, we will wait and wait till it's loaded. This can take a while in normal cases. I speed it up a little bit. It's taking a long time before it's loaded. And okay, now I click on actions, and now I will click on publish. You can rename the theme also, but I'm going to click on publish. Okay, now back to our store. I will show you my store. And it's still looking pretty empty and pretty ugly. So we're gonna change that. Okay, this is empty. And we're gonna place the demo data. We're gonna install the demo data. Now, how are we gonna do that? So I'm gonna navigate to settings and to the files section. And I will click on upload files. And I will click on the demo data. And I will click on demo images. And I will select all those demo images to import. And I will click on open. And I will wait. Okay, I'll wait, and wait, and wait. Okay, it's loaded. So now our site is currently good looking. I'm gonna show you that soon. Okay, I'm gonna go to my website right now. Let's take a look how it looks. Okay, I refresh. Okay, that's looking amazing. That's looking much better than before. So we got this theme, this free theme. The files are in the resources. And yeah, this is looking fresh, clean, and modern. So the future product's gonna appear there. And yeah, it's looking great. So in my opinion, this is great. So I wanna, yeah. Okay, I wanna thank you for watching. And I will see you soon.